The last video talked about money addiction. Then I got a lot of messages from my friends backstage. They say, I also want to make money, so I did today's share. Let's not talk about it anymore. About making money. I've summarized a few points. There's a way and a way. As for you, just follow my thought line and think with me. And become profitable. The first step is to dissect yourself and define your desires. Do you really like making money? Do a lot of people say you don't talk nonsense? Who doesn't? But in fact, most students confuse making money with spending it. Making money is a great effort. Such as staying up late, learning business models, analyzing people's pain points, and sorting out resources. These are the things you should do to make money. More people just like money, like the result of making money. He doesn't really like making money. Don't believe it, you can seriously think about it. When you get some news, or the wind blows, how many people are like, oh, I don't know. Oh, this good trouble, chose to give up this matter completely. Like when I started making short videos in 2018, I talked to my current assistant, who wasn't my assistant at the time, who was the lead editor. So his editing skills are very, very strong. And I said to him, look, the short video platforms are very entertaining now, right? But with the scale of users, along with the commercial realization, when you have no work to do, you can make your editing technology into a course on the platform. You can teach others. So you can make lots and lots of money. I told him about this matter 3 times, but he didn't do anything. And then I asked him, and I said why. He said I can't record classes. I have research to do. What a hassle. And you know, when I told him about this, there were no short video platforms selling classes. Any blogger who did this earlier would have made at least tens of millions. So you really think making money is a technical problem? More often I think it's lust. The second point is the nature of making money. It is especially simple. In fact, you can help others to solve what problem. Do not search the internet every day how to earn $1 million a year, this kind of problem. That's not to say that all the information on the internet is fraudulent, but that you might not be able to do the job. Let me give you the simplest example. For example, China's Li Jiaqi. He created a profit equal to a lot of listed companies, right? You will think live with goods this thing, he is not particularly profitable, that I can do. In fact, the core ability of live broadcasting with goods is to do sales. Li Jiaqi already had the ability to sell things. And love for the cause, he just threw the internet such an amplifier. Use the internet as a lever. He used to sell to one person, but now he sells to hundreds of thousands of people. Of course, his income is high, because the market is where the flow is. If you really want to make money, think about what kind of help you can provide to what kind of people, what kind of pain points you can find, and how to find the market they need. It's not that hard. For example, you are a Daigo. You see the market becoming more transparent, the margins getting thinner, the space for everyone getting narrower. So if you can make video, you can aggregate traffic. You can think about traffic from 0 to 1. Can you solve the problem of that group of people? And then you can teach them how to do new traffic. A lot of times people complain, for example, social change, right? Policy reform thinks this is a crisis. But there are definitely people jumping out to solve the problem. The more problems you can solve, the more money you will make and the more influence you will have. Remember, making money is a matter of solving problems first and then making money. You can make as much money as you can solve problems. Entrepreneurs make money because they solve the problem of social employment. If you don't have the ability at the moment, then find a way to fill the market needs the ability to it. After you have the ability to solve the problem and the price tag, think about how to make money. In fact, this is the same as we go to school. High grades in exams, it is just a result. The right way to learn. The right way to think about it. Work and rest is what you should be doing right now. The third point is that we must learn to empty hands. Give you a knowledge point. MVP minimum feasibility model. Let me put it this way, the MVP can understand the people. Entrepreneurship will only make money, not lose money. What is the MVP of the business? In fact, is to use the minimum cost to verify that you can make money in this matter. For example, one of my friends was a graphic model at the time, and she knew that you couldn't make much money with labor. So, at the same time with the business said, she has a large number of model resources. Let the business work directly sent to her. She recommends good models to the business. Then she talked to the model, she said she had a lot of business resources. And then she collected a lot of their model cards. In fact, in this process, all she did was say a few more words. In fact, no cost. And now the internet red company is essentially this. Don't start a company with a lot of fanfare. Figure out how to do the key things. One hand holds the order. The other hand holds the person who can do the work. This is the key point. That many friends say, I am different from you. I am a doing entity. I am not STEM internet, STEM entity, I also have done. I ran a restaurant, I ran a dance training facility, and I ran a restaurant in college. I also didn't spend a lot of money to go to sites and hire people. I had this idea for a restaurant, I found a bad restaurant. Because his business wasn't great, so I said to him. I put tens of thousands of dollars in his place, and then help him run the business together. If the case of loss. And then, I pressed tens of thousands of dollars buckle. If I make money, we will split it 50-50. This is to take tens of thousands of dollars to verify whether I have the ability to operate this store. Even if I lose money. The cost to me is actually tens of thousands of dollars. Not the hundreds of thousands of dollars it costs to open a shop. So, for the people who open a shop, to master is only flow. Can have after the flow. After the return of funds to think of a way to invest entity to make money this thing. It's really about cutting costs. The best way to expand profits is to trap a wolf with nothing. And when you hook the wolf, you can thinking about the rest. In today's video, I'm sure there are a lot of people who are going to spray me. Because what they really want to hear is. Just tell me whether you make money selling bozi or dumplings. I can understand. Because people want to hear a definite answer, or even tell them how to make money. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. This is the norm in society. But the classmates of society is mobile. Information is changing. Many changes are unexpected to us. Everything is changing in the world. The only constant is that everything is changing. Instead of chasing the wind. Let yourself have analytical ability. Logical ability, cognitive ability, learning ability. So no matter how the society changes, you will never worry about, I have no food, I will be eliminated by the society. Today's gonna be a long one, but if it helps, please type 666 in the comments section, or write down your thoughts. I hope I can wake some people up. I don't know how many people can understand today's episode. See you in the comments section. Okay, that's it for today.